Hello again, dear students. Welcome back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. My name is Rodrigo Lazo Campo, your English teacher from Easy Training. And this time we are going to be talking about Lesson 235, Part 1. Lesson 235, Part 1, called Our Camping Trip. The lesson is about this boy telling us the story about him and his family going on a camping trip. Here is the family at the camping site. They are eating some food. There are 4 people in the family, but in this picture there are only 3. Where is the other family member and what is he doing? Would you like to know where this family goes, what they do there, and so forth? Well, if you would, just follow me and you will find it out. As usual, you and I will read the lesson aloud. Remember that you should read it more than once. Then I will make some comments and some questions will be asked to you. I would like you to answer the questions in both talking and writing, and also I hope you share or you present your answers to your teachers. Table of contents. Packing up on page 4, nighttime on page 6, bear and fish on page 8, and time to go home on page 10. Packing up. We're going camping. We pack our tent, sleeping bags, and cooking gear. Don't forget the camera, I say. We drive to the lake and we set up camp. Click, I take a picture. Nighttime. Time to eat, says Dad. We build a fire to cook hamburgers and hot dogs. Click, I take a picture. Time for bed, says Mom. We get into our sleeping bags. We look at the stars. Click, I take a picture. Bear and fish. In the morning, we see a bear by the lake. It is eating berries. Click, I take a picture. Time for fishing, says Dad. Mom catches 3 fish and Abby catches a turtle. Click, I take a picture. Time to go home. Our camping trip is over and it's time to go home. Click, I take a picture. The next day, Grandma wants to hear all about our trip. I can't remember everything, so I show Grandma all my pictures. The end. You can see the story is divided into 4 parts. Packing up, nighttime, bear and fish, and time to go home. They pack up all the supplies they need at the camping site. In this case, we see they carry a tent, some sleeping bags, some cooking gear, and a camera. After they pack up, they drive to the lake, and at the lake they set up their camp. When it is nighttime, perhaps they are hungry, so they build a fire to cook what they are going to eat. In this case, they eat hamburgers and hot dogs. Is that what you usually eat when you go on a picnic or you go camping? After eating, they get into their sleeping bags and look at the stars before falling asleep. Do you find it fun to look at the stars? The next day in the morning, they see a bear by the lake. near the lake. The bear is eating berries. They go fishing. Mom catches 3 fish, and little Abby catches a turtle. Do you ever go fishing? Because the camping trip is over, it is time for the family to go home. The next day at home, Grandma wants to hear all about their camping trip. And the boy can't remember everything they did at the camping site. So he shows Grandma every picture that he has taken. Now, following are some other questions I would like to ask you. You see, the boy takes a picture at every single event on the camping trip. How many pictures does he take? Can you describe each moment when he takes a picture? Why does he take pictures? And the next 2 are personal questions. Do you ever go camping? Why? Why not? If you don't go camping, what do you and your family do together for fun? Well, my dear students, that's all about part 1 in lesson 235. It was great to talk to you again. I will be back, hopefully. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.